Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to several stores. I need to get some essentials and I hope that you will like this vlog and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And please consider subscribing to me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I need to get some basics. Now then I have a puppy, I need to wear some light clothes and I decided to get some t-shirts, and this place is perfect for this kind of things. The quality is good and the price is good too. So this is the first top that I selected. It's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna get this one. It will be very easy to style it and it also reminds me of Celine's top. It also costs a fraction of the price, which is great. I'm definitely gonna get this one. I also love the fact that it's padded, it's very convenient. Actually, it's a bit longer, I just folded it because I like that look, but I can also wear it normally. Next up is this black top, it's also padded. The fabric is stretchy and light, but I somehow prefer the fabric of the previous top. It feels better on my skin, but the fit of this one is quite nice, it's very flattering. I'm going to think about it. This top also comes in a white color. I'm going to try it on and show to you as well. I would say that it looks very flattering. It's pretty slimming. It's just I'm not really sure about the black. I think I will consider the white. It's not bad. It's not too short, but you can also fold it and I'll show you how it looks folded. Here it is. I like it, it's not bad, I'm gonna think about it. It's so important to have basic tops that you can always reach for, you can style them with pretty much everything. A good quality is very important for me, and also I'm not willing to spend a lot of money on basics. By the way, here is another top and this one is not padded. I'm loving this one, it's cropped, it's a bit shorter and I think it's perfect, I don't have to fold it. The fabric of this one is also stretchy, but it feels so much softer. I just love the way it feels on my skin. It's very comfortable. I feel like I'll be reaching for this one very often. It's also so easy to style it. It would just look great with absolutely everything. With jeans, with trousers, with skirts, with shorts. I love it. I love the versatility. And it would also look great with jackets, cardigans and sweaters. It would go well with a lots of items in my wardrobe, which is quite important for me. I always try to add items that would look great with as many things as possible. I'm now at Sandro. I came specifically to look for a perfect blazer and I have recently purchased a nice pair of trousers. I'll link down the video in case you haven't watched it. I'm currently wearing them and I wanted to find a matching jacket, and Sandro always has a nice selection. I'm loving the fact that actually the colors and the type of the fabrics work very well together. It's like it's a set, which is perfect for me. And I'm also wearing my Hermes scarf. I unboxed it last year, and by the way guys, I will link that vlog in case you want to check it out. I'm just so obsessed with the colors and I'm trying to wear it as much as possible. And I feel like this jacket would look just perfect with this scarf. I will wear it with and without the scarf. It's just such a cool jacket. I'm obsessed with it. I definitely need to have it in my collection. I have another scarf in a dark pink, but I feel like it would look fantastic with the jacket as well, and I'm planning to add some additional scarves in the future. By the way guys, this one also comes with a matching pair of shorts. I mean, you can still buy them separately, but I love the look. I would also wear it with the scarf like that, but I think I would style it with a different belt, maybe in the blue color or even the brown. The black would look great too. I would also wear a thinner belt. When going out, I would wear it with the shorts, and when going to work, I would wear it with trousers. It's perfect, and I feel like I would be reaching for it very often, and the cost per wear of this one would be very low. It's really cool, the fit is perfect. That's why I'm so obsessed with Sandro. They have the best fit that always suits me. I also noticed that I don't get tired of Sandro clothes. I have some outfits since 2018 and I have been reaching for them very often as well. Next up is another navy blue jacket. This one is a bit oversized and it's shorter. It's a different style. The fabric is very different. I like it. It's pretty cute and it looks very nice with the shorts. It matches quite well. It's pretty. The only thing is it's a little bit warm for Singapore. I would get a lighter fabric, but I think it's perfect for colder climates. I'm loving the gold buttons. They're very flattering. And this jacket would look great with absolutely everything, with shorts, with skirts, with trousers, with jeans. It's very versatile and it also goes true to size. I'm trying it on in a size 34. I would recommend to get your true size. It's also perfect for layering. You can wear it with different sweaters, which I like. Actually, I do like the design of this one. I'm very tempted to get it, even though it's very thick. Well, it's not thick, it's just warm. I could wear it when traveling. It's stunning. It's not always easy to find perfect jackets that are timeless, and I feel like this particular style is very timeless. I know I'll be reaching for it in 5 years, in 7 years. When I fall in love with something, I end up wearing it for years. By the way, I noticed that the navy blue is a classic color for Sandro, which is great. I'm in love with this color. I typically reach for the black, but it's nice to spice it up with the navy blue. It's nice to have a choice. I'm so going to think about this jacket. I might come back to the store and get it later. I will also try another jacket and show to you as well. This color is stunning. I love the cream. It's so beautiful and I love the way it looks with the shorts as well. I'm definitely getting the shorts with the first blazer. But this one is really nice. It reminds me of Celine. The fabric is very soft, it's stunning. This one is not figure hugging, so you can layer it with other things, and I think it's perfect for the fall. You can definitely layer it with several tops or pair it with a beautiful sweater. It would look very pretty with a cream turtleneck or white or even the black. So gorgeous. You can pair it with so many things and I think it would look great again with trousers, with jeans, with skirts, with shorts. So beautiful. I would actually pair it with the matching shorts, but even with the navy blue shorts that I'm wearing at the moment, it's stunning. I'm going to think about this design. It's also beautiful, but again, it's a bit warm. It's perfect for fall. It's just so stunning. I'm due for another decluttering. I have them at least once a year, usually like 2 times a year when I just need lots of things. It helps me to keep my place tidy and helps me to ensure that I only keep items that I regularly reach for. So if I add new things, I have to make sure that I'll be able to wear them quite often, especially that I have already got rid of a lot of things that were quite nice, but I just didn't reach for them. So I don't want to make that mistake again. I also spotted this dress and it reminds me of Chanel, and actually I think a couple of years ago Gucci had a very similar design. The bottom was a bit different, but the top was pretty similar. I also posted a vlog with it. I'll try to find it and link it down in the description box below in case you want to have a look. I just love this style. It's very flattering. I love the color and you can also wear it with the belt. I think it would look very, very nice. It's beautiful. I'm going to think about this one. I love this style, but again, the fabric is thick, so I have to make sure that I'll be able to wear it as much as possible for as long as possible, because that's my whole point of adding things. No more buying clothes and just keeping it in my wardrobe and never reaching for it. Hopefully those days are gone. I'm really trying to make a difference this time. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!